My name is Andrei Sobolev. I will show you a little demo of Cache IDE for Eclipse preview from Xorit. Firstly, we can, with IDE, we could create a Cache project. Name it some example. It will contain some example class files. We allow editing of cache class definitions and the routines in this preview. Let me open outline. For the editors we have, for the class definition editor we have a preview. You can easily navigate between elements. Also we have implemented folding. We have some basic templates. For example, I can create property. And it will be shown in the outline and so on. We have a quite complex class wizard. I can have a package. Let's name it my package, and my class. I can choose different types of cache objects. In case I deselect class type, I can use some other types. Let's have a persistent class with XML. We can have a description. Okay, and we can have a new class. Okay, more interesting stuff. Cache IDE contains support for connecting to existing cache database. Let us create our connection. I use some default values and will connect to samples. Okay, we can now connect. And we have a object browser for cache, we have classes, we have programs and CSP files. Let's open a few classes, for example this one or this one. We can edit this class, category 2, string, let's have a add property. We can save the file. I can reopen it, and content of the file is uploaded to database. I also can have a quick outline navigations here. Okay, let's have some preferences. For cache editors, we have a few preferences. We have a quite complex syntax coloring. We can choose different kind of, for example, we can have comments as underline when we apply comments. Okay. Definition, comments, strange. I don't have such a comment. Let me have a method. And with a comment inside the method. Okay. Let me open some routines files. In this preview we have support only for cache script routines. As you can see, there is syntax highlighting. We also have here some templates, completions, and so on. Since this is a preview, we don't have a complex logic for the completions and so on. It's only some basic stuff. And we can also open, let's see, CSP files. As you can see, these files opened with our editor and also have some syntax highlighting and so on. because we use web standard tools, we have some additional features for this editor, like completion of open text and so on. This for HTML mostly, and could be adapted for the future of CSP support. Okay, I'll show you basic editing capabilities. One more interesting thing we can use the import wizard. We can import some existing Cache Studio project. For example, I selected Cinema project. When I click Finish, project will be created in Eclipse workspace locally. So, for example, I can share this project into, for example, demo Git repository. Let me share it. Okay, it is shared. I can commit my changes, select all. First, commit. Now push. That's the local repository. Okay, right now I can perform some changes. For example, I can want to change some values. For example, rename it this one. Here I want to change these values. Okay, I can now commit my second commit. Okay. It's some Mac problem. Second commit. Sometimes don't show a second item. Okay, I put the changes, but now I want to publish my changes to my database. Let me choose the export database. I use my project, my connection. Okay, I have two files different. Let us check what is different. I have this one, change it, this one, change it. Okay, and I have this one, change it. Okay, when I click finish and check the items, changes will be published to a cache database. Let us check this cinema ticket item. Okay, process cinema ticket item. Yes, our changes are here. Okay, more interesting stuff. We can use history. Show history. Okay, I want to go back to my first commit. Okay, it is previously, and now I want to publish it one more time. Connection. Yes, I have back these files. Change it. Okay, and this one. Okay, and when I publish it, the database will be contain previous values. So using the Git, it's very easy to have some work version of classes and publish it to different connections. As you can see, you can add one more connection to, for example, this. Okay, and open it. Oh, okay. Probably yes. I have a different password for this. Okay, let's have samples one more time. Connection 2. And you can see the classes too. So it's possible to have different connections. For example, one for production and one for testing, local one, and import project from the production version, make some changes, publish to the testing database, check some changes, and so on. This is a preview of the Cache IDE for the Eclipse. Thanks.